Hi, I'm Patrick Olson with another Caltrans News Flash. May is Bike Month, and Caltrans is happy to encourage and support an all-inclusive transportation system. Caltrans has ambitious goals to increase biking, walking, and transit use statewide. And achieving this goal relies on planning and working with regional partners. Today, we'll join Caltrans Chief Deputy Director Ryan Chamberlain as he tours new bike infrastructure in and around Sacramento that supports active transportation.
We're doing things like promoting May is Bike Month. We have several rides this month at headquarters and all the way throughout the state and other districts. We have rides that are organized much like we did today. It's important that we get people out, they're getting active, they're staying healthy, and we believe that multimodal transportation systems will help us maximize what we have for infrastructure.
There's finally a recognition through budgets and policies that bicycling is a legitimate form of transportation, and that's a huge shift that takes place because it enables us to talk in a lot more detail about what we need in order to really facilitate bicycling as transportation.
Cities all across California, from Los Angeles to San Francisco, City of Oakland and San Jose are all doing great things. It's just not the large cities that are moving these efforts, but it's cities all across California, large and small, that are addressing mobility and safety in a new way.
We're trying to integrate bike and pedestrian movements and multimodal movements into everything we do.
Walking, biking, and transit options will play a vital role in reducing greenhouse gas emissions and vehicle miles traveled. SB 1, the Road Repair and Accountability Act of 2017, will provide much-needed funding to support these programs while improving safety and commute times. If you'd like to know more about California's bike and pedestrian plan, look for the link in the description below. For Caltrans News Flash, I'm Patrick Olson.